perusing the tabloids, and a lot's been going on lately, so I decided to do a medley of songs about things that are taking place in the celebrity world. Hit it! Michael Douglas is trying to tell us he got throat cancer from eating coos. Annoying whiner who blames vagina instead of cigarettes and booze. No cunnilingus, just use your fingers, 'cause from what I understand, instead of sucking, just finger fucking, 'cause you can't get cancer of the hand. Ripped from today's headlines. When I first read it, thought this is bullshit. So carpet munching makes you sick. Next thing you'll tell me, next lie you'll sell me, is that it ain't healthy to suck a dick. Now every guy's wiener, each chick's vagina, leads to chemotherapy. So don't go downtown and don't make this sound, or you might end up with HPV. Turns out that this is real, the fucking truth. How dumb I feel. So all of you had better hear me when I sing loudly, proudly, that eating pussy causes cancer. You've read the headlines, heard the rumors. If you go downtown and start licking, next thing you know, you're gargling tumors. Yes, eating pussy causes cancer, and there's no cure as far as we know. If you go downtown and start licking, hope your insurance covers chemo. It's a medley.